In this third video, looking at the Math Melodies games that are appropriate for the youngest kids, we are on the exercise game, our exercise page, and we're going to take a look at insert or delete. So I'm going to come to the top of the page. I'm going to swipe down for insert or delete.
Absolute addition. Compared count. Complete in column. Counting. In out table. Insert or delete.
There it is. I'm going to select.
Insert or delete. Exercise insert or delete. Add or delete to get the number of animals required. First grade base.
And again, I'm just right swiping through. I'm going to choose the first grade base. Now, if I wanted to, if my student learned how to do the first grade base and I want a little bit more challenging, then I would go to the first grade advanced. And it's just going to be more rows or more numbers of animals. Okay, so first grade base, I'm going to select that.
Add or delete to get 7 dogs. Press to insert or delete an animal. There is a table of 2 rows and 4 columns.
2 rows and 4 columns. This is really, really important. In my mind, I need to think of what it looks like. So I know that's 2 rows and there's 4 squares in each row or 4 columns. So when I drag my finger, I want to be anticipating that. Again, I can right swipe, but I really want to start learning about rows and columns and going into tables. And in order to do that, spatial memory and understanding it, I do want to pair this with a tactile image to begin with, or a tactile game, and I also want to drag my finger. So let's take a look. We want 7 dogs. I wonder if we have to add or subtract. So let's look. 1, 2, 3.
Insert an animal.
4. So that's 4. Now I know I need to go back and come down a row. So I'm going to come back and down a row. That's 4, excuse me. 5.
Insert an animal.
Space. So that's my second space. And 6. So I know that there's going to be 8 squares because it's 2 rows with 4 columns. So I have 6, and I need to go back and find an empty space and double tap or split tap on that empty space to add a dog. So
insert an animal.
There it is. I'm going to split tap. Okay. Now if I wanted to check, I can come back
to get 7 dogs. Press to insert or delete an animal. There is a table of 2 rows and 4 columns.
So now I'm going to just right swipe it. I'm going to count with my right swipes to double check. 1, 2, 3.
Insert an animal.
Yep, that's a blank space, so I'm on 3, 4, and I'm just right swiping. 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to right swipe one more time because that's the correct amount.
Answer button.
And it brings me to the answer button, which is located at the bottom of the screen in the middle. And I'm going to double tap on that.
Answer button. Dismiss. Add or delete to get 0 fox. Press to insert or delete an animal. There is a table of 2 rows and 4 columns.
All right, so now I know again it's 2 rows and 4 columns. I want 0 fox. So this one I can think a little bit. I don't really even have to count the fox because I want to get rid of all of them. So let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, there's one, and I'm going to, since I was dragging, I'm going to split tap to get rid of it.
Insert an animal. Insert an animal. Insert an animal.
All right, that's the top row. There were 4 of them.
Insert an animal.
I'm going to go back and come down.
Insert an animal.
Now I'm in the second row.
Insert an animal.
By a split tap or double tap.
Insert an animal. Insert an animal.
Okay. And if I wanted to double check, I can go back up to the directions.
Press to insert or delete an animal. There is a table of 2 rows and 4 columns.
And now let's right swipe through.
Insert an animal. 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 Answer button.
All right. So I got rid of all the fox. I want 0 fox. And now I'm going to select.
Answer button. Dismiss. Add or delete to get 6 frogs. Press to insert or delete an animal. There is a table of 2 rows and 4 columns.
Okay, we're going to take a look at another game in the next video.